One of the fastest cryptocurrency dentcoin, my friend, was 39.11% price is increased now just in last 3 days. That's lead to this month, October 1, October 2 and October 3, my friend. You can see here, this is the live price prediction video. Please, my friend, you can see the price is totally moved upward. So in this video I have given something very special and secret information and price prediction, and also, my friend, I share opinion now. So this video is very important and very short video, so kindly must watch all video to understand better now. In this time, my friends, Dentcoin price, you can see here 0.0064, but this time you can see here the current price is 0.006245. This is the highest price, my friend. Alright, so the highest price change into this price, my friend, you can see here they will recover all the loss. I hope, my friend, they will recover it. And if we check out, my friend, the resistance line, so the resistance line is here now. You can see here the white dot line is the resistance line, and absolutely they were never lost the resistance line. If they will fail down from resistance line, so that's mean to they are in the loss, but they will never lose. So that's clear, my friends. So the price will pumping up, and absolutely if they will hit the resistance line, so that's mean to they are starting my friends profit now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will recover all the loss, because you know, my friend, this movement of Dentcoin is, I like it now, because you can see here if a short-term investor are starting holder, if a short-term investor are stop selling, so they absolutely, my friend, every coin will pumping up and completely go in the moon. So therefore I am really impressed now, my friend, from this, and I expect very good, my friend. My expectation is very good from that. I hope they will recover all this loss now, and they will give you a profit in upcoming 3 days. I am 100% sure they will give you a profit, but after that I don't know. So therefore we will predicate this again now, and I make video, my friend. So kindly, if you want to watch my friend other videos now, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.